So I've just had some dinner, had something to eat. The tractors are all free now. It's 8 o'clock in the evening and I'm going to plough my pumpkin patch because obviously the tractors aren't going to be busy free in the day. I'm going to take the 6250. So we're going to hook up onto the plough. I'll do your thingies. We got 8 pipes. They all go in pairs. Okay, so all the pipes are in now. Plough's being lifted up. Twizzle, twizzle. See all my pipes there? That's what's making it work. Got to make sure these are locked in so the plough doesn't fall off. We've got to have top link, so it's got a 3-point linkage. 1, 2, and the other arm 3. Lift it up so we can carry it. Dan's in the tractor helping me. Hey! So we got the 60/50 on the front. Okay? So, ploughing. We don't normally do it unless it's on rotation or to, get rid of some weeds, bury the trash. But we are ploughing this bit because it is quite infested with blackgrass. So, we've got a 6-furrow plough on the 6250. Probably a bit too much horsepower. The old 4455 used to plough the whole farm here. I'm just going to stop recording and show you as the plough comes closer to me what it's doing, because it's a great backdrop because of the Aussie drape. So we've got our furrow here. See all the clods. So it's already starting to look good, and we've only gone up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the 5th time. So he's at the end. He's going to flip round, which I'll show you properly up close in a minute. Flipping, flipping, flipping. Then he'll come back up the same line. Let's do one in slow motion so you can see it. So I've told you why we're ploughing, but I haven't told you why we plough. Well, I told you why we plough a little bit, but I meant to say how we plough. So ploughing is probably one of the deepest tillage methods you can do apart from subsoiling. So the deepest you can go. Subsoiling you can go probably a bit deeper, but ploughing, it's basically turning over the soil, what we call a technical term, burying the trash. I know you wouldn't think that's technical. You bury the top surface layer that's full of trash, so you know it's got weeds, seeds, or stubble from last year, or even straw or something like that, something that you want to incorporate in underneath. So basically we're bringing up the soil from underneath that's been sat there for a long time and bringing it up to the surface so you have new soil, kind of thing. And ploughing is normally a very good cultural method, so non-chemical method of controlling disease, weeds, pests, things like that. So it's quite good when we've got black grass down here to bury it, start the cycle again, and go like that. So that is a bit of why we're doing it in a practical farming sense. Here's Dan. Off Dan goes with his sprayer. Okay, so good morning everyone. I'm a bit shiny because I've got sun cream on, because you never know how hot it's going to be. I'll explain when we get in the tractor. So I'm going to finish the ploughing off, so let's lift that up so I can take it. Let's go. Okay, so yes, good morning everyone. So last night you saw, or on my last video you saw, we were ploughing last night. So this is all to bury the black grass in this specific area because it's not very good. But as you can see, it's ploughing very well. Hasn't been ploughed for 13 years now, this patch of land. So you could say it's, you know, it's fine, that's good. It's good for it to have a bit of ploughing and rotation. Some muck's gone on some of it, so that's good. We're incorporating that. So let's go and have a go at some ploughing. You can see where we're going, the line that we got to last night. And we're ploughing. Ploughing is not something I'm very good at, really. What was a bird? Because it's not done very often on the farm. It's quite a rare practice nowadays. So I haven't had a lot of practice at ploughing. It's got a worm. All the birds love to come out when you're ploughing because they find all of the worms because they're obviously being brought up to the surface. I thought I'd quickly stop for a great photo opportunity. Look at the rapeseed behind. It's like the perfect backdrop. Okay, let's get back in. Check my, tyre in the furrow. I mean, this is a bit more, it's not turning over as well because it's a bit drier here, but that's okay compared to over there. It's bringing up some soil, and I'll show you, oh, I left the music on, that at the end we have to turn it.